Hello mga tropa. Huwag niyo natindig yung mga sa paligid dito ah. Ito guys, kayo muna manood dito ah. CR lang ako. Nadaling katukunan ko. Ay! Uy! Bye-bye.
But it is time to put their defenses to the test. Here are 100 fruit flies. They are small, annoying, and a lot like my mother-in-law. They scatter. The eggs begin to panic, while many of the flies stand still. If they don't move, then they may remain unseen. But this one makes a run for it. And so does that one, and that one, and that one. But this one was not as lucky.
Hello mga tropa, kami siya tumae.
Of many.
Ay, wag ba ako umarang? Sorry. Una ako.
Even though they caught most of the flies, a few managed to escape. But the escaped flies were not as safe as they thought. Out of the frying pan and into the fire. No matter what come,
Kita nyo ba?
numbers have grown so
Ayaw nga no.
they've spread far beyond their window sill and overtaken my animal. My pets are a fan of the new roommate. It seems our colony is not as prepared as I thought. So over the next year, our colony became an empire.
Huwag ka na palit
But the
damit ha.
wild colony acted
Hindi
in
ka papalit ako.
Ito nga pala si Mami guys oh.
fully prepared for war. But this one escaped into my
Hindi ka
kitchen.
pupunta.
I didn't know why
Oh!
until I returned.
Ay sorry, wag ba ako umarang? Sorry. Wala nga pala na yung gagawin video guys. Manonood na tayo. Kaso lumilikot ako, sorry.
Had already made their way.
Ay, sinusugod na ba? Ay, sinusugod na nga.
They have to save the queen, so she is brought to the deepest part of the colony.
Ang bilis ng laro.
Uy, yung may kapatid ko. Guys, kalito natin.
Yes, ito na. Ayan. Dali na.
Guys, nahihino ba akong gagawin ko ya? Sige, manood lang kayo. Sige guys, manood lang kayo. May gagawin akong car para sa inyo. Ito oh, car to. Kaso wala lang go.
1,000 days led up to this. The queen began alone to clean an empire.
Ayaw, nag-iisa na lang siya.
But would they let it fall? To save
Wala
their
lang, joke
queen,
lang.
our colony turns not to flee,
Yun.
but to fight.
Law,
They begin to
Oo.
rally to their
dito ako sa
queen.
bahay. Punta kayo, layo. Bye-bye.
Even my pets join the fight.
Aray. Tignan nyo nga. Uy.
They breached the surface, and the enemy was on the run. They were winning, and pretty soon they had won. The wild colony was never to be
Oh,
seen.
huli na.
Check out this video,
Ay, oh.
and I'll see you in the next one.
May kapatid.
Hey, Dee, how are you doing? Avon Ultra Color
Lipat ko na pala,
leaves
guys.
you with 25% more color. Colors that come alive.
Lipat ko na. Ano kaya ang gusto niyo panoodin? Ano favorite ko panoodin? Comment down below.
Here is Africa's desert.
O ito.
Here is Africa's
Tama!
Here is Africa's desert. 100 days
Layo, okay na.
ago, it was a graveyard. But with time, it transformed into one of the most resilient yet ruthless ecosystems on our planet. But where there is life, there is always death. Can life find balance in 100 days, or is it all doomed to die? Well, we'll have to go back. Today, with the empty tank,
Lumawala yung kapatid ko. Nasaan na yun? Nasaan na yun? Ay, ito may kapatid ko.
and after building up a deep
Ito pa,
network
guys.
substrate, I placed in some rock
Oh,
and
kapatid ko yan.
finally began to plant.
Bigat ah.
But the trees here
Ito, magaan lang
have
to.
sharp spines and poisons.
Oh.
Those are not coming out. One infection later, and the tank was complete. This is going to be the foundation for a thriving ecosystem, starting with dolphin males, who have the most extraordinary superpowers. During the day, they would seek shelter to hide from the desert
Ang
heat.
tagal na ito na yung screwdriver mo ah.
Not all of them
Kung nag-enjoy naman kayo, please subscribe na kayo sa ating video. Kung gusto nyo itong video ito. Subscribe!